Today we're going to be installing this MaxFlow Arctic Allison transmission cooler. This is for LB7 and LLY Duramax trucks. This is over 50% larger than the stock cooler, and with the temperatures heating up in the summer, it's highly recommended to run a larger transmission cooler if your temperature's getting up there. When replacing the factory transmission cooler and upgrading to our MaxFlow Arctic Allison transmission cooler, we recommend to use Transcend to replace that 1 to 2 quarts that comes out when you replace the cooler.
You will need a clip removal tool, pick tool, 1 1/4 inch wrench, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet or small impact wrench. Remove the push rivets from the upper radiator shroud, remove the upper radiator shroud, and remove the grill. Take out the factory retainers on the lines and then remove the clips using the pick tool. Remove the ambient air temperature sensor and retainer clips. Gently tap the transmission lines out of the factory transmission cooler. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding the transmission cooler in. You can now remove the factory cooler. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding the lower brace in place. Here's the new MaxFlow transmission cooler. It comes with all brackets and hardware required. There are 2 fittings included with every kit. The smaller adapters are for 2004 to 2005 trucks, and the larger ones are for 2001 to 2003 trucks. Here's the comparison between the factory cooler and the new MaxFlow cooler. Bend up the tab on the clips to remove them from the factory brackets. Install the clips on the provided bracket. Loosely assemble the brackets onto the cooler. Here you see the correct orientation of the brackets for installation. Be sure to lubricate the correct fittings before you install them on the new cooler. We use assembly glue in the shop, but you can use clean transmission oil as well. Install and tighten the fittings with the 1 1/4 inch wrench. Attach the top 2 10mm bolts. Now install and tighten the lower bolts. Tighten the bolts on the bracket. Install the transmission lines and retainers into the cooler. Don't forget to top off your transmission fluid to replace any lost fluid that happened during installation.
As you can see, this is a pretty quick and easy install. If you have any questions, you can always contact us and we can help you get that figured out. We also do have direct replacement transmission coolers available for the 2006 to 2010 LBZ and LMM Duramax trucks as well.